React Native application. Okay, so for that you will require some editors. So I have already set up the environment for React Native. I am using Visual Studio Code editor. Okay, so see, this is Visual Studio Code. So let me open this. Okay, will require React Native application as well. Okay, so for that you have to open Visual Studio Code. Okay, if you have not yet configured your Visual Studio Code with for React Native, then I request you all to please configure your React Native environment with Visual Studio Code editor. Okay, so this is my Visual Studio Code editor. Okay, so let me close current project. Okay, so here you can close folder. Okay, then if you want to create new React Native application, then here you have to click on terminal. Okay, new terminal. So it will just open this particular terminal. Okay, so here on one of the drive you may create your folder. So here on my machine, on E drive, suppose in college work folder directory, I am going to create one more directory, that is React AWS. Okay, so you may give any name for your directory. I have given name as React AWS, and in this directory I am going to save my particular project. Okay, so in this directory we'll save our project. Okay, so let us open terminal of this Visual Studio Code. Okay, so from this we have to change our path. Okay, so on E drive I have created E drive in college work directory we have created our project directory. So let us enter in college work. So cd college work. Okay, and then within this college work directory I have created React AWS. Okay, so let us enter in that directory. Okay, you can use CLS. Okay, so in this directory I have to create a new React Native application. Okay, so see, I have already set up the environment for React Native. If you have not yet done, then you have to set up it and you have to configure your Visual Studio Code with React Native for React Native environment. Okay, so if it is done, then here we have to execute one command, that is React Native init. Okay, and then you have to give some name to your project. Okay, so let us give a name to this particular project as demo React. You can give any name, AWS. Okay, I am giving name to this particular project as demo React AWS. So this command you have to use. Okay, then press enter. It will take some time. Okay, and will create project directory. Okay, so now see, it has already created the new React Native application. So it will take some time, okay, based on your internet speed and processing speed. Okay, so here it has almost taken 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, so here I have paused this video. Okay, so you have to give some patience. So here we have just initialized a new React Native project, that is React AWS. Okay, so this is all about this section. Okay, how to sign up for AWS account we'll discuss in our subsequent session. Okay, so that's all for this session. Stay tuned for further updates.